no sense.
With what be? With
You
what?
really have no sense. Look at me, my friend gone. You know no sense.
Oh, me fi make your friend gone, be.
You know no sense.
Be cool, be.
What's up, my beautiful people? You don't know, you know. As I say, I want Maggy Films and never two. I just have to entertain people to the fullest. Welcome to the channel, all who know. See? Anyway, brand new, hold on. I'm still thinking there, cause I'm afraid I know. Anyway, this one is called Man Beater. Them things happen in a real life. See? Well, for man, I go treat to man. Just like how you see ladies, I'm going to go treat more while too, right? Anyway, taking it from start to finish, leaving a comment and thoughts. So again, painted party, Saturday, October the 4th. Long Bay Niggle, right? Be there, make it a date, don't be late. Run in, walk in, swim in, dive in, come enjoy yourself. See? Big up on yourself. Make sure you know, painted party. See?
Maggy Films. Maggy.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie so they overlook me. They not double up again under their nose, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they will lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the
Rose crew, mint ball, I deal it.
I pray Pink Panther.
There, me G. So me I come give you a link, you see me?
And when me short, you just a pull through.
I say, I show me couldn't get no drive dog and I walk, me have to walk, you see me? Just I get to reach.
But there still everything active with you.
I can call this man, don't.
Normal procedure, man. So everything, you're good though?
Yeah, I'm good man, me up man.
You're sure? 100%?
Sure, man, 100 man. Good like a goal.
Yeah, you're tell me because you're not we can look for me, bro.
And you may look for him.
Yeah, turn me head, every time if you answer, you turn me head.
No, man, I'm good for you,
Pink
man.
Panther, you're sure, see, you're good, bro.
Tell me, I tell you why I feel like you, man. I don't do that, man.
But watch your style now, no? Me have fought from far.
True.
I know you from a long time.
No joke.
I know say you're not good, so tell me what I'm going, man.
No, man, I'm good for you, man. Me up, man. Me not tell you no lie, man. Good, man. Man, don't believe me. Why would I tell you a lie, friend?
I'm sure you look up pretty. You see that the lady that live beside of you?
Yeah.
She a go road and I tell people say, yo, what they are put your hand on for your lady and it a forward back to me.
So she not tell nobody when see her man a beat her with broom and rake tick over there.
But watch out, that's not the point, you know. Remember, say we not come down, so you know, we're not supposed to put your hand on no female, none at all. You understand? Remember, say me a G for a longer time, you know.
True. But when I say, see them a woman here, they love when a man give them a little touch up dog every now and then. I saw them feel say the man love them, you see me? So you go man, I tell them, G.
Yeah, Pink Panther, but as me I said before, none of them something like. You know, put your hand on a female, make them go on if I saw be the case. You understand?
Remember, bad with body, no man. And watch out if you think a lie, man. Just try with your woman.
Me not go try with my woman.
So you don't want more respect from your woman.
Respect is not the thing, Pink Panther, you understand? And right now it look like you make the badness I get over your head.
But wait, they stick up in. Now you mean say respect is not the thing. Respect is the thing, my friend. Without respect, you're coming like zero. Like we don't have nothing, a zero with it. You have to have respect in the street, you see me?
Yeah, respect is something, you understand? But right now, as far as how I see things, it make it look like you have big respect. You have to earn it. You understand? If you have put your hand for a woman like you beat your woman for respect you. And I say thing up, man, Pink Panther, you know how suffer thing come down.
I mean, I say all you talk, you just talk off your mouth, you know. Remember, say we bad, you know, man, and we run the street, you know. You can't make no girl take with a fool in the street, you know, my friend. You move like a soft, so mint ball. If I touch up, if you get in, if you go get touch up, you know. I know mint ball are tough, sitting here, if it start move tough, you know, man.
Yeah, man, Pink Panther, but the thing the way I have a go on with you is not a good look. The thing the way I pre right now are two road that lead to, you know, jailhouse or graveyard.
Say I
understand?
tell me, say a jailhouse and graveyard me I go. That you wish for me as a virgin. That you show me.
Watch you, no show me, I show you nothing, you know, but it's like something bother you. You see me? Skelly them all tell me, say them saying a Migla road a walk. You're in the Migla the road a walk, like you want something to just take your life.
No go some youth. How man for you walk in a Migla road, brother. You know, so you change my youth, because you're them fool in this, you come and tell man about walking a Migla road. You feel, say me I get off, my friend.
Pink Panther, watch you, no, man. This is not you. You understand? This is not you. You know, normally do them things where you, them foolish where you go on about the place.
It's not Pink Panther this you look pan. You mean say this is not me, a one Pink Panther my youth.
Watch you know, right now to me, you're a stranger in a Pink Panther body. You understand?
Right now you look like you want man a slap you in all your face to me.
So it's not
Man,
that
you're
far.
a friend, you know. Better man just cut, you see me?
Big up yourself, man, Pink.
I call her move to you, know, because I love how you're moving on my youth. Like you switch up, you know. Oh, put on badness, you're an idiot youth. Badness forever, badness on the ground youth. Do some boy youth. Tell man about put on badness. Badness for life youth.
Come here, sir.
I deal with.
You so listen up our road. Don't feel like you want to take too long to come in. Man.
Me not take.
You understand? Because Cheryl tell me say you not gonna no barber. You tell me say you left out if you go away.
A barber, me go on down, I barber
you know-
pull up.
You not gonna no barber.
Me go down there.
You not gonna no barber. Me tell you something, you know. Don't play with me. No play with me. No play with me.
God know be.
Hear me, I tell you.
I say I deal with
No
me.
play with me.
I say I deal with me be. Be tap and lick me be, cause me nah lick you, you know. You lick me na me eye be.
Me know why you play with me. You dey move like some loose man out there. I say you dey move now.
With what?
Remember we do.
A barber me go and me see cheese somebody down there in I shop.
Hello. Me no idiot. Here? Don't take me for idiot. Go over there, some man.
I say I deal with me be.
You sick my stomach. Here what? Go wash your clothes them.
I couldn't wash them a morning be.
Me say move yourself out of my side before me lick you down.
God no you.
Oh yeah, kiss it. Come back here, sir. Come back. Come back here, sir.
Me no kiss me
Come back.
teeth
Me say come back here, sir. I kiss just kiss at it.
be. No be.
Oh. See you sick on me now.
Me no kiss me teeth be.
Or up and left me side. Me text and lick you with it. Rubbish. And when I done come wash my foot too.
Boy, love no easy, you know, youth, and I love a woman and have to go through too much, you know. Ja, no, youth.
Yeah, man there, man can't even fix that so make the door can flow properly.
So line up that B, man.
Anyways, now go up on the road go check my friend.
Yeah.
Understand? Make sure say you do everything in our yard and cook the food too.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
I don't cook, man. I don't say I'm a chef already, B. So watch out, I can't go up on the road and I don't cook.
Why you even have that in your intention to ask me that? Eh?
When I beach me a priest, I would make a one walk, go and relax me, you see me?
Okay. Fly by day, pitch by night. Don't make me pass that don't at the beach there and not see you. Cause I not go nice.
Same place.
God help if me not see you. You hear me say?
Stool, man. I look at stool, me always sit down pan. Yeah, man, by the time you come back, man, everything done, man.
By the time you come and everything done, you better make sure.
Certain, man.
Oh.
like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, signs to let them in, talk up their body, another one body that's
Jessica!
I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on the
Jessica!
Yo, come now. You know, see, get up my girl, you're going to get stranger to your place. Sure.
none of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to
talk to me because I don't have much time. You know, we stay here. That is something important.
Yeah, girl, that's some important things.
Yes, sir. Bro.
Girl, me see a man a beat you. And you reach a hotel, you know, in a dining area. But boy, I not like that to me here. Okay? You know, say me a friend, brother. And everybody knows say me a friend and me a hear that. And this thing come hotel say a man a beat you. What me rotted?
Where you hear that
I'm
from?
telling you.
I'm not doing my eye. Where you hear that from?
Me just tell you. This thing come hotel just a spread from one news to the
Yeah, but
next.
somebody have to talk you, so where you hear from? One man and one woman. Who?
One man. So it's true. You got something true? Come in off here, yeah, you look so.
Girl,
I want to you.
but you don't even know me I go through.
So true then.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely. I've waited for so long, but what if it goes wrong? And you walk right out that door. I never thought I'd be speaking words like these, but they're hanging on my lips. I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely.
Girl, stop your crying. Why you know so you need to fix that, and if you deal with that thing, you need to deal with him. You need to fix him. But you can't make no man a beat you, brother. You can't look nice you can't make man a beat you. You can't do that. You have to fix him, man. Your face mash up. No, sir. You have to cheer up, girl. You don't say joke me, but you look mash up, I do. But, why? Anyways, I will make him a beat you. How you do? You don't cook, you don't clean, you don't do what you have to do. Because you're a hot girl, and I know you stay though. I know you don't like cook all them things, and you like fast food and them shit. That's why I'm a beat your backside.
How you come to do? How you come to do?
No!
Where you come to
You
do?
know me, your friend, but me I tell you the truth.
one person. Where you come to do?
I come to give you good advice, make
You
you
know
not
look
beat
so.
you.
You look like you come to bash me.
Me not bash you, but I don't
you
make
just
you
like
get
your face.
beat. I don't make you get
like you
beat.
come to bash me.
But I don't make you get your face licky.
Talk where you want to talk. Talk where you want to talk.
So, girl, stop being so girl. I go like say me now with you. I want you. Me just have to
Talk
laugh
where you
because me
want
not
talk
understand
to.
how you will have your face mash up. So, put fun and joke aside, still, my friend. Where you go do about this? Because you need to make him pay the price, you know. You need to make him get locked up or you bring him to a family court. One of them, because of far me I come from, I'm not like this. When I grow so, I not like it. It's a girl, yeah. What do you mean by now?
You can't carry man out family court.
So I still love blind you? Yeah. No, sir, girl, yeah. No, girl, you have to do better than that.
Me can't do that.
So you're gonna make yeah, so because I love you gonna make him kill you. But it's a girl that don't no, so but your head not depend on your body, but you're not stable.
Girl, I don't understand.
What me not understand?
It's when I love someone.
Yeah, that's a girl, yeah. No, this serious. So me ask you a question. So because I love you gonna make him mad, abuse you.
Girl, when I love somebody.
Girl, stop
let go.
Stop
You have to
chat
let go.
foolish on my head. You just you me don't know how me are your friend, you just fool. What you mean by this a girl, I know this serious. Girl, a big disgrace this winter. When me tell you say think of my hotel now, he move from my hotel to our next hotel. Remember say everybody know you know say that you know so for you know so they hear that it has spread.
Alright then, listen, me not care. Me not
Girl,
care.
shut up.
Me not
I shall
care.
just look at the next
Remember
year
the
when you
last
mash up.
man where they have in their beat to come and go. I they a turn foot clad feed. Me tell if it's long you say no you talk to me like say me a picnic. Watch your mouth. If you
Yeah.
talk to me, you talk to me.
No, me I be a friend,
Rubbish.
girl.
You not be my friend. Cause
I
all
know.
the thing I do a class me. You call me fool, you call me idiot, you call me actor and I say me just there so I not say nothing. Me not say nothing.
So me can't move so aggressive. No wonder why the man beat in your backside.
And the man come, hey, listen to me now. No bother with me.
Yeah, the man
No
got
bother
caught.
with me.
I'm tell her this now. See if I go make this continue, me deal with it myself. Cause you not no sense.
How you deal with it?
No worry about it. Me see you go make it analyze you, but before that, me deal with that.
You know see, you come like you know see. Me I live like a man and dead already.
Shut
What
up.
problem?
Shut
What
up.
problem?
Shut up.
If you shut up your mouth,
Yeah.
you're not encourage
So
me.
wait, so what are they? Yeah, but me feel, man. We have beaten your backside.
You tell me be a fool. You tell me go carry man.
You see if
family court.
you see if anybody
Me
have my
fi
friend, me licking her next
Me
year.
feel like I'm got family court. Me feel lock him up. Me feel do this.
So
me
you
fi
think
do
you
that.
gonna feel it?
Eh?
You think I'll stop if I do that?
First thing when me I carry man got family court for.
If you stop beat you.
Eh? Eh?
This a big idiot, yeah.
Oh, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
Hello, man,
Watch
what you
your
do?
mouth.
Man, where you? Oh, so me have strength for. Okay, so me really have strength for. Me a friend and me want to take out this man problem.
You know what?
Man.
You know what? When you say you call me for girl?
Anyways, I'm really calling for is that your man they walk and tell people say about beat you. And he tell somebody and the person come back and tell me. So you look like him proud that way mad do a beat you.
But what I say, see them a woman here, I love when a man give them a little touch up dog every now and then, so they feel so the man love them, you see me?
Alright. That's your next word. I'm gonna take my mash up self and leave the place.
Yes, go on, girl.
No say your next word. If
Go on, girl, that's too full.
yeah, that crosses, I lick me a lick up in a tree.
I see you look so. Are we just going to tell you, go on, here? Come and can't be said me,
The last man will come back and beat and don't worry yourself.
I can never be lonely. If you promise you won't leave, I'll never be alone. Only lonely. Was wrong, and you walk right out that door.
I'm going forward here. You don't mind a business. Panta! Oh, so wait till him come here. Imagine, you look at him and I walk and tell people say him beat me. I saw him chest high. Wait till you come. Man, show you beat me.
Good evening, B. Deal it. Sting up.
Come up there, so.
Now I met you know.
Look where I make it pan today, wait up on the line.
Children come now and I reach in back yet, you see me?
Anyways, that I really want to talk about stills, you know. Come here, so. Cause me no want him near, but then you and me a poof you. Cause you need to be turn on. Come.
What is that? Watch ya.
You ever beat me yet?
No.
Eh? You ever beat me yet?
No, sir, when me a beat you for me?
You ever beat me yet? You know beat feel?
Cool a beat.
You know beat feel?
No, you. This is not easy na beat.
How you just high?
Who tell us that me say me beat you?
Me say how you just high? How you feel walk and call out my name boy you beat me up?
No go so beat.
Eh? You ever beat me up?
Who tell you that?
Eh? And me if you ask you who you tell that?
Me not tell nobody that.
Listen to me now, you played me now. Cause you can't take no, we call the broomstick and broke for me. You can't
Me
beat
not
me
tell nobody
up.
so be.
Me say if you can't beat me up.
No, be who tell you that? Who tell you that?
How you just high? You see, next time I call up my name for road,
Say what, B?
I go dust you out.
B, just take your now from me, B.
What? So, you know no manners now.
John,
You
no star, B.
You know no manners.
John, no God, B.
You
B,
know no
what
manners
God,
now.
B. B, easy now, B. God, no, you, the girl come here.
Junk, who you ramp with?
Cool now, B.
How we are ramp with? You damn me need that too. No call back.
Easy now, B. Be cool, B. Yeah, me say me not tell nobody, so, B.
No call
Yeah,
back.
you say I take some people in my own.
Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. The room is lit with candles and a fire in your eyes. We are lace and leather as I lay by your side. I know I want you here, I just don't know why. The only way I can survive.
What going, girl? Your auntie have my pan job to give me, I know she can't give me it. I remember saying, no, are you set this a thing, I know? Are you set me auntie or auntie, no? So guess what? Are you responsible for this money I'm supposed to get in the car? Right now, I want to do some shopping, I want to do all kind of things, and the woman no want to give me the money. You have to go tell her, say me want the money, you know. Cause serious time now.
Alright, let's go on the car. Oh, we are the car. Put fun and joke aside. Serious note now, right? We talk about the car now and the time. You want me to have him and beat these jobs so?
Hello?
You not hear me?
Want me have him and beat me up so? Girl, me don't know the relationship are too toxic. The man not stop from putting hand on me.
But you can't stay in a relationship man and beat these jobs. I don't like that man, I don't like that feel.
Anyways, come out of my business. Go to the call the auntie and this want me money.
That
Sound do love fast, not people business. Hey babe.
Hey, what's up, baby girl?
I'm here. How you do?
Yeah, man. Wait, me say me wait for you to call me now, because I have to go out later, so if you can hang out now, we just get over it and done, you see me?
Yeah, but you already know?
Yeah, man, I wait for you now, man.
Okay. You know, say, better yet, me there things that if I could have just come at my house and done, because I don't really like the outing thing.
Oh, okay. So it's safe, okay?
What do you mean by if it's safe? Yes, son, it's safe up here, so. I don't worry about.
So you don't live with nobody?
No, I'm not living with nobody.
Okay. Yeah, man, brother.
Yes, so.
Alright, so just send me the location, no?
Alright, I'm going to send you and just know so you're good, you understand?
Alright.
Alright, what's that now?
Yeah, man, I drive out now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
finish now, babe? Alright, just pack up to the side. May I come out? Yeah.
Oh, man, sabaita.
Eh?
Man, sabaita.
I'm stepping on some ancestors.
Yeah, it's a terrible.
Thanks. Hey.
Come on. Thank God for technology. It's nice, no? Are you okay? Sit down here.
No man, sit down. Me.
Thank you.
Yes. We get a seat now.
Oh, don't know. What's up?
No, tell me now.
Yeah, man. Time hot though.
I tell you, as I choose, we just know what that's a little first, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to drink where it's stress, you see me? Kira, can't make it stress get the best of you see it. You have to beat up that and fling with that. And a bad man, you know, Kira. Regular, I see boy in the street and shot a boy all 2 hard days, as you know. Yeah, man, we run the whole place, the whole globe. No joke, no night, man. One panta here. I real life.
That is it, my father.
So we do it, man. I real life.
Feel a joke.
No joke, no bad. So Kira, you know, say in a game, me the one going, but me never bother going in a game, because 3 boy then fear man boy. If a boy never played me money, you know, say a dirt life, you know, man, and a church life, you know.
Alright, wait, my father. Feel a
Same say you
chatting.
go, man. Dirt life. Badness, you say.
That a code.
I wonder if you are at up the time. So what's up? I say, you know, so up on the Margarita builder, so I say, I go. So I don't know, you change your mind, you know?
No, let me tell you, sometimes you can't bother with the outings. You understand? I feel kind of like tired too.
Well, I feel good to know, say, I can get invited home, you know what I mean? You look nice though.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, I'd say the place look nice.
But you know, in next when me can go out and we can go one nice little place. Understand?
But you know, the first time you ever, not that I really want to come home, you know, but the first time, me now I go tell you, say, let me come here and ask if you come home. Rather than ask you out, you understand what I say? Yeah. But if you say it, you work with it.
Yeah, so me, as when me like to know, otherwise, funny going out, me like to so me go renovate the place.
Oh.
And rent it, cause me pray somewhere else. You understand? Me have somewhere else in my mind. Yeah.
Okay.
And the place I get older now. I look too nice.
No, man, not say that, man. At least you have somewhere, you know
Yeah,
what I
but
mean?
that's the truth. If I get too like, you know, me,
Look nice, man.
you know, be truthful.
What do you mean, I be truthful? The place look nice.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, but I mean, when you're ready to do renovation, me assist you. See me? Yeah, man. I don't know carpenter and mason, you know, but I can make it up the same way. And have some building good like that. You know what I mean?
We wait it down.
No, sir.
Eh?
Manageable, man.
Manageable.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, so, are you plant them banana there?
No. No,
Nice
you know,
banana.
some because them already come down the other day.
Oh, a gross Michelle call them banana there?
Yeah, I think so.
Or plant all of them things, I mean.
No, I want banana me like and I we call it, you know, the honey banana.
And them call bumpy.
Are them gonna call bumpy?
Yeah, man.
Good evening.
I will.
Huh?
Who him?
No, I want to attend them. She said, oh, house big. I said, I want to attend them.
You know what tell me say you are the rental. You see you? You see you?
Yes.
Yeah, make money, you know. Yeah, man. Kama Quintana para lo que pasa. Como tomar lo que pasa.
What happened?
What's a second there, babes?
Babes.
Give me a second here.
So I can call her babes.
Oh man, I saw tenants stay there. You know, some money we say babes are big. Pass us something there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, understand? So just yes. Come on, let's have a talk to you.
So which man this in my yard?
You want to yard?
I know my yard, but I'm at work, you know, hard me dey on site at work.
So?
I'm to come in and see you.
Man must act like man. And that me say, understand, a man must sound like man. What you mean by busy for your work?
So no man me act.
Where you come back yourself?
So I wish man lap that you sit down, you know.
I'm a friend, me can have friend.
Me not say you can't have friend, but sit down in a man lap so, but you feel say me up pray. Then things are not right be.
Hello? Me never tell us if you stay out long.
Yeah, you tell me if you stay out long, but me just feel to come in early because I want to go and spend some time with you.
Well, listen to what me I say now. I know you run things yourself. Nobody feels that you are work and you're carrying a little chum change money coming in. You feel like you know top man at this. Set clear bubble you out. And listen, stay around yourself. And wait until my friend gone. You come around yourself, come here and go around yourself and chat to him right now. You understand?
You say I deal with man. Your brother them a bad man make you deal with man, so you know. But it's alright man here. I say I heard man, everything good.
Go around the song and set clear bubbles you out.
Say I heard man here. Your brother them a bad man, you deal with man, so. Say I heard man.
I don't know if you call you.
Thing good man.
I don't know if you call you.
Thing good man.
Sorry man, until we are glide together, you know see. We are get a fire.
Say I heard here.
Don't move!
Don't
Until my friend gone.
Everything alright?
Yes.
I know you just know say man got you have thick man around there so. I say I heard. Say I heard here.
I'm not sure what you are. You are sure what I'm I want.
Let me tell you what happened one day. Show me ask the man for me rent. The man a short off for me. Eh?
But that's not right.
Exactly. So me have to light him up around the 1 and 2 times so.
Yeah man, if him not do the right thing, I have to go serve and notice for me.
Exactly. You have to go come out, man.
But I don't really too like a vibe. I don't know how I just come like on like a vibe. I don't want to say if I'm, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to forward on next time, man. You know what I mean?
Be a go already?
No.
You really are going so fast?
No, I have one little thing to go deal with on the road to man. So, I must sort that too, you know? And check you back in a week.
Alright.
Nice though.
Thanks, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, later, eh?
Yeah, man. Alright. Call her when we reach from there,
Yeah. Drive safe here?
Yeah, baby girl. Later, eh?
Yes.
Alright.
Acha.
Oi!
B, man not jam me.
Man, I jam down with you.
Man not jam me down B.
Eh? You don't have no sense.
With what B? With
You
what?
really don't have no sense. Look at my friend gone. You don't have no sense, eh?
Oh, me fi make your
You don't
friend
have
gone
no
B.
sense. You don't have no sense.
Acha. Be cool
You don't
B.
have no sense.
Oh, me fi make your friend gone. Eh?
You idiot.
Why you deal with me so?
Stop lick me now. Why you lick me for? Stop lick me.
Me a lick your B.
I Miss Daisy. Why you lick me for?
Me a lick.
Stop jamming me now.
B, easy B.
Stop lick
Stop
me.
and deal with man so my youth. Yeah, deal with man so. Me a lick you. Me a lick you.
Why? Stop lick me. Why you beat me up for?
Me a beat up your B. Me a lick you.
Yo, stop and beat me up.
That make it people eh.
Why?
Make him neighbor them feel say me a beat up your man. Yo. Well man just can't bother other place you know you. So you don't even know you know. Left man go left all you say you know. God
Whiskey
know.
every night. The room is lit with candles and a fire in your eyes. We are lace and leather as I lay by your side. I know I want you here, I just don't know why. The only way I can survive. Coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Blow the candles out and think about my life. How did I get here? And where am I going? He's a beautiful man, but I know that I don't love him. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. Stuck in this routine, but it doesn't feel like mine. A mix of pain and pleasure when everything feels wrong. And I can only ask myself to be so strong. The only way
So I'm a listing. I'm a listing elephant.
You know say me never see say you there some mint ball.
You never see me for too?
I swear me never see say you see me.
John no star. How good though?
They are going easy man.
Them they are going
No,
chillax.
man. Real life. But them there dog I go and walk your road there.
Yeah. So where there? Tell me something.
What that be?
Me I wonder if a bleacher something I touch up on different kind of cream, but one part of your hair over here so kind of look black. You have a different color. I don't know what I go on.
So me a bleach man, and this no bleach out good, you see me? This one come out look a better.
No sir, no, you can't tell me that. You see when me I go to school and me used to get thumping on my eye, I saw you look. Wait no, me I talk to you no bossy. I see him so he look, he curve round, this is that.
Man I talk about thumping here.
Watch it.
The man say a bleach, you say no bleach out good, that's how me a bleach, but you're so kind of stubborn.
Pink Panther, pan a big man mess, me I virgin. What really I go on with it? Because you and a bleach is do that.
Nothing wrong go on with me. A normal thing, man. I throw me a rub from where the man and me nice son and me now wear no glass, so you're so kind of stubborn.
Man, I come back here so with him fooling again, brother.
Nah, lie to you, man. I bleaching cause you see it. No joke.
You know, say all I go and they look like a girl finally defend herself. Me feel like, say, you put your hand on her and she hold you and give you a solid thump in your eye. Fit up.
God know that.
Watch you know, man. Pan a big, me not going to assume nothing, you know, because you're a big man and you know if everything come down. So, what really I go on?
I know say on a big man level, dog, me nah grow on your
Pink
dog.
Panther, what really I go
Me nah
on?
grow on your dog, me I make you know if full 100 you know. I know say me never
Yo.
beat the girl, dog.
Yo. What?
Me tell you me never dare beat the girl, dog. I swear.
You never dare beat for your woman.
Never dare beat the girl, dog. That you don't even know, dog. That you me never want to talk, dog.
So tell me something. All this time when me I hear say you are beat batter bros for your woman and you are tell me out of your mouth say yeah mash up for your woman over there and thing. I lie I tell.
Boy, nothing never go so, dog. You see me, but me just have to just talk that in the street for me thing now look through. You see me?
Okay.
I go on with be things there, dog.
What kind of things?
Be a war woman and war me off, dog. And to me rate the woman and me never want to put me hand on the woman. You see me? Least little thing you man a fly up and come put on liquor.
So she do that?
And a big man level of she do it now. Man a
Yo!
I mean I want to show you a pre.
Yeah man.
Between me and you this.
You deal with me a weird on so. Yo, Ray, you know, say, man, a bad man and I'm slapping on your face.
Some man no
Yo,
bad
man,
man, dog.
yo.
But I'm a woman, dog. I'm never want.
Who get slapped in the face? No. Who get slapped in the face? No. But on a big man level still, fun and joke aside, I'm bro. You see me, I don't laugh off for you. That at least, that's how we do, laugh off for one dog.
It's just between me and you doing that, dog. Nobody no know nothing about this, you know.
This is between me and you?
Yeah, between
No man, me not go tell Auntie Bev and me not go tell Susie and I say.
Yeah, cause Susie and Auntie Babe, them not involved in
No sir, me not go tell a neighbor neither. But what me I say? You need to do something about this. Why you not pack up your things and bro and cut?
Like, me love a girl like too much, dog. No care. Me try to pick up, dog. Like, taking this a jar me back.
So you go stay and make sure analyze you because I love. Come on, man.
Yeah, do something about it, man.
It's either you leave her or she I go do you something over there. Because black and blue you over here so and walking a Migla road.
Yeah, that girl like that for long. Me no look like me can leave her, dog. Swear.
So why you feel like you can't leave her?
I'm sure you pray, dog. I just meet her. She the nice, dog. Good, and never such stay, you see me?
Oh.
So I say I can find back a niceness the way I meet her with, you see.
So me ask you a question now. Growing up, your mother never tell us everything you left. When you left things certain type of way, you know, come back, come find it then type of way and everything lasts ever. You never hear about that part there.
Me say a salvation alone lasts, you see me?
Okay, so that now, you not just start to show your kindness. You understand when she get to know you, I worse set a type of girl, man. You understand? I don't really want to believe you, know, but you look genuine. Nah, tell her no lie, bro.
Nah, bro, no man, I truth, me I tell you, dog, you see me?
But anyways, enough of that. What you plan for do, bro? You have to go sort out this thing, you know.
Right, I know, dog. If I say you go, me have to go just move on, dog.
So not that you have to do.
Get a different woman, you see me?
Anything what she used to do in the past, you can't come back. That done gone and dash way already. And new things are going on, you know. So you have to just understand, say, at this thing there.
Yeah, move on, man, you see it?
Yeah, man, that's what you do, man.
I want to show you pretty differently, you know, dog. All the thing bother me, you see me?
What that?
I mean, I tell you, so I go up a yard and I go see her sit down in a one nigga like me even know him, man, I tell you.
What you say?
And I tell me, say, a friend.
You know, see a clowny girl take you for, bro. You go up there, go see her in a fear yard.
In a man lap sit down.
Fear yard, in a man lap sit down.
For me yard in a fear yard, I live with her in a fear place in about, and then I live for me yard same way.
You see why a man like a we? Forget we have own a residence, we have own a place, not a family place, you know, for there.
Not true.
Because see then now you go up, you go catch her with man, and you have to show about. You can't tell her to move, you know, because I fear a place and you have to show about. You understand? So as me I say, you have to know where you are do. So where you going now?
I just walk me a walking road, go up there, so.
You have to do what you have to do, you know.
I say, alright, do you link up, man?
Yeah, man, yo, and watch walking at the middle of the road. The man them tell me say I walking at the middle of the road.
Alright, that's the alright.
You understand? Walk on them part of the road, you're banking.
That's the alright, there.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Alright, big up same way.
Why, man, really go through some things, you know. And then see how man alone get beaten. Boy, man, I get beaten. I force me see this. Jaja.
Yeah, ain't no problems, ain't no problems, that one problem with me, no. Yeah. Took control, run the game, best believe I'm shining down, counting up my wins, yeah, I love it when they count me out. Off the leash, of the chain, boy, I been the dog, best believe I run the game, you know I'm in control of y'all. Okay, let me talk to the chat, they know I was gone for a minute, had to BRB, had to...
So as usual, people, if you enjoy the movie, please give a thumbs up. That's a like. Comment, subscribe, share it. Yes, so everywhere. See? Maggy Films. 1.
Nikki and Stu presents Seafood Fridays. This and every Friday starting September 26, 2K25. Right at Big Bridge across from the Fish Tree. Contact numbers 876-836-3056. or you can call 876-327-0242. Starting time 12 p.m. And remember, it's this and every Friday. Menu: file roast fish, $2,000, $2,500 and $3,000. Conch, $700 Jamaican dollars. And you don't know you have bami, crackers, and fried breadfruit. Don't miss it. Call the numbers and get your delivery done. Yes, man, support the youth, man, support the lady. If you need your business to be promoted, contact Maggy Films by the number on your screen now. Call the number your promotions. Brought to you by Maggy Films.
Hold on, go on like so now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling me say subscribe, it's a joking thing with the pan. My son. I train a age, but I run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
How are yourself, man? So, now, yo, you. What time you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you say what? No, you say boy.